nurses are also justifiably concerned about the impact of an investigation on their career. So let's say you got a letter from the Nevada State Board of Nursing, a letter of complaint slash investigation, and you want to know what you can do. Let's say that your job was you were terminated from your job. Can you go out and seek additional employment or new employment? The answer is absolutely yes, you can right away. And sometimes I'm going to give you specific advice about that, whether or not you've been terminated, what you should do. So that's going to be done in a confidential conversation on the phone, or if you want to do a Zoom call, that's also perfectly fine. But you are able to practice. Now, the next question that comes up is when you apply for renewal and you have an active or open investigation, will the board let you renew your license? And the answer is yes. In my experience, in all the cases I've ever handled, when they're represented by an attorney, and that's all I can speak for is those cases, yes, they will let you continue to practice nursing while you're under investigation. And there are occasions when they might give you a temporary license to see how you perform, or if the case gets resolved, and do it on, let's say, maybe 6-month increments. But of course, if they feel that you might be a danger to yourself or to others, they can, under the rules for discipline, they can decide not to renew your license or to give you a license if it's an investigation, let's say, of a criminal matter that they know about before you are licensed. So you can usually plod forward with your career, even though there is a disciplinary act that is pending. Again, if you are trying to apply for a job with an agency or multi-state, it could have an impact in the short run until it's resolved. Once it's resolved, even if it results in discipline, at least they know it's a known quantity, a known issue, and they know how to deal with that from that point forward. But let's have that discussion in our free, private, confidential initial consultation and hopefully give you some direction on how to proceed.